Hello my rising generation. So today I have come up with the topic of exponents. Actually it's done for class 8 for all the boards ICSE, CBSE and all the local boards. ठीक है, we have to learn the basic things here. जैसे कि any number to the power n. तो इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? बेस. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? एक्सपोनेंट या तो पावर. ठीक है, मान लो 5 to the power 2 मतलब 5 into 5. So 5 is your base and this is your exponent or power. Okay. Now there are various laws out here which you have to keep in your mind. Product law. A to the power m into a to the power n. The base are the same and the powers are different. तो यहाँ पे होगा क्या? And बीच में you have multiplication sign. So it will become a to the power m plus n. So this is your product law. फिर आता है quotient law. Quotient law. A to the power m divided by a to the power n. यहाँ पे होगा क्या? बीच में you have division, so the powers will get subtracted. First one minus the second one. Next you have the power law. ये रहा बेस, ये रहा पावर. पावर के ऊपर बाहर और एक पावर. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? The power inside and the power outside will get multiplied. A to the power mn. ठीक है, देख लो. ये याद रखना है और इसके ऊपर बाकी सब ये चैप्टर्स का सम्स सॉल्व करना है. ये बस दिमाग में रखना है. And this will be used everywhere in different chapters as you go to your higher classes. Okay? Now let me show you something else. Exponents. Suppose you have a negative number here as your base. Okay. And the power is an even one. इसका होता क्या है एक्चुअली? -2 into -2 will give you a +4. है ना? तो इसका मतलब यही हुआ कि if this is even number, if your power is even number, then the number which you get as your answer will be a positive one. भले इससे भी बहुत बड़ा नंबर क्यों ना हो as your power. Now, if you have an odd number here, odd number as your power. इसका मतलब होता क्या है, -2 into -2 into -2, minus into minus plus, plus into minus is a minus. तो यहाँ पे होगा क्या, 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8. तो अगर नेगेटिव, अगर ये बेस नेगेटिव है and the power is a odd number, so in return your answer will be a negative one. And here when your power was even number and you had a negative base, in that case your answer will be a positive one. This is the difference. ठीक है? Even if your power is bigger than this number also, in return the answer which you get will be a negative one if you have a negative base. Okay? आगे बढ़ते हैं. सपोज कोई नंबर है 5 to the power -2. We cannot give our answer in this form, in negative power form. So what do we do? नीचे कुछ भी नंबर नहीं है, we know that we have a 1 always. So it will get reciprocated 1/5. As soon as it gets reciprocated, the power will change its sign. It will become a +2. Okay. Few more. Say suppose it is 2/3 to the power -3. तो यहाँ पे होगा क्या, ये बन जाएगा 3/2 to the power only 3. ठीक है ना? Now one more. Any number, say 4, any number to the power 0 is always equal to 1. No one can change it. भले it has to be a very big number or a very small number. 1000 to the power 0 is always equal to 1. Universal truth. ठीक है? Let me just pick a question for you. So your question is, this is actually from the ICSE book, class 8, exercise 2A. 3 to the power -1 into 9 to the power -1, bracket divided by 3 to the power -2. Our first intention should be, when we solve sums from this chapter, to check whether the base are the same. यहाँ पे this is 3 but this is 9. We can always make it as 3 square. And you have -1. So the base are the same. So we will use the product law here first. In between you have multiplication sign, so the powers will get added up. Plus of minus 2 divided by 3 to the power minus 2. अब देखो, again the base are the same. Now we are going to use the quotient law here, and the powers will get subtracted. Minus 3 minus of minus 2. Minus and minus is a plus 2. Minus 1. And as I told you, we cannot keep our answer in a negative form in the power or in the exponent. तो नीचे क्या है? 1 है, reciprocated 3 ऊपर, and the power is actually 1, which we never write. So it is 1 by 3. Okay. Now check the answer. 2A 1 1. 2A 1 1 1 by 3. So it's correct. So in my next video I will come up with much more interesting sums. Until then, bye bye.